It's raining. And the bird is enjoying the rain. Very funny. Oh. They're cleaning his feathers. Ah. So the bird cleaning his feathers in this way. Not like the cat. Oh. Interesting. But why is it like shifting from one place to the other? Okay. Now I'm imagining if I am a bird, am I gonna clean myself? And why I need to clean myself? Why I need to clean my feather? And how I gonna clean it if I think it's dirty? Yeah, I cannot, like human beings, use my hand, grab a hose. Yeah. Of course, this bird is not from a particular country. I think the bird from that country, maybe he's just getting to the shit. Oh. So you see, the bird is, this kind of bird is cleaning itself in this way. Shake. It seems that it's like a human being. Hello? Hello? Oh, he's replying. He's replying. Oh, I see. He's replying.